everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple beans and spaghetti. This is very fast to fix for dinner or for lunch, and is also vegan friendly. So let's get to the ingredients. It's just a few ingredients you need for this pasta. So the ingredients you need here is some green beans, fresh or frozen, tomatoes, extra virgin of olive oil, some spaghetti or pasta, depends your choice, garlic, salt, and some basil leaf. So the first thing I'm going to cook the beans. Yes, so make sure I'm going to cook it with just a little bit of salt. Cook until the beans is well cooked. Okay, so while the beans is cooking, I'm going to move over to the sauce. So on a pan, I'm going to be adding a little bit of extra virgin of olive oil. Allow the oil to heat up a little bit, then go ahead and add the garlic. So after adding the garlic, I'm going to allow the garlic to roast for a couple of minutes. Then I will add the tomatoes. So I'm going to stir them, add some basil leaf, I'm using frozen one, some salt, then I'm going to stir everything together and allow them to cook until the sour from the tomatoes is gone, which is going to take me about 20 minutes to cook them on a very low heat. Yeah, I love to cook my pasta sauce on a very low heat, and I love to cook them for more than 20 minutes for a proper taste. So while that is cooking, I'm going to check if the beans is cooked. As you can see, the beans is well cooked now. So I'm going to take off the beans, I'm going to remove them from the water. And I will be using the same water I use in cooking the beans to cook my pasta. So I'm adding a boil extra water into the one I use for the beans, because the one I use for the beans is not enough to cook pasta. Now I'm going to go ahead to add the pasta. You can cook the spaghetti or pasta long. You can choose to break them just like I did. So I'm going to add just a little bit salt into that, because the water is already salted because of the beans. So while the spaghetti is cooking, here is the sauce. The sauce is cooked. So I'm going to turn off the heat now. And here is the spaghetti. The spaghetti is cooked as well. I don't like to overcook my spaghetti. So I filter the spaghetti, and now it's time to dish it out. This is very easy. This dish is very easy to make, and it's very healthy as well. I hope you give it a try. So what I do here is add the spaghetti into the plate, then add the beans into the plate as well, and top them up with the sauce, with the tomato sauce you made. Okay, that is just it. It's very simple. Even if you're tired, it's very simple dinner or lunch to fix together, and you're going to love it. Believe me, when you try it, you're going to love it. So I'm just going to top up the sauce, and I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this. Yes, like I said, it's a vegan friendly food, and you can also use it for weight loss as well, because it contains beans. Is a very healthy meal. So guys, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and make sure you share this video. See you. Bye.